Hi, for this video, you're gonna learn the basics of psychogeometry. Just basics. Okay, so what are those basics? Let's say you have a circle, nice, very nice circle. And obviously, a circle has a center. Okay, which does you know, a circle must have a center. And the circle. So this is your center. Let me just highlight that. This is your center. And then this edges of the circle is called circumference. All right. And then a circle has what you call a line from a center to the circumference. And that line is radius. Radius. Right. Plural, it's radii. That's plural. In plural form. So many radius, it's radii. And then the circle has what you call diameter. Right? A diameter is see the distance from here to there, from a center to here, it's a radius. Distance, a line from a center to the circumference is radius. Now, a diameter is 2 times the radius. It's this radius and this radius. So a diameter is 2 times the radius. And now, in a circle, you have something called something nice called chord. This here. This is your chord. Right? A chord is a distance between a circumference to another circumference. Yes, this is a chord as well, distance from a circumference to a circumference. But this chord, it passes through the center, which is make it the diameter, which is times to is twice the radius. Right? I mean, any line like this is a chord. This is a chord. From here to here, that's a chord as well. Cool. And then you have what you call a segment or an arc. For example, this thing here, this circumference here, this is your arc. And you see it look like an arc. It's an arc. This is your arc. This is your segment. All right, they call it segment or an arc. So this is the basic fundamentals of physical geometry, and you should know this by heart when you talk about psychogeometry. Right? What did we learn? We learned, just to recap, right? So you have a center, distance or a line from a center to a circumference, it's a radius, right? Can be this line, it can be that line, can be that line, can be that. Any line, as long as the line is from the center to the radius, to the circumference, this is your radius. Now, if you have a line like this, let me write a proper circle. You have a circle, and we have a center, and now you have a line from a circumference to another circumference, but it passes through the center. That is your diameter. This is your diameter. This is your diameter. Right? It's a line passing through, the straight line passing through the center from a circumference to a circumference. This is your diameter. And diameter is twice the radius. Cool. Now we've learned about arc, or let's just call it chord. This is your center. So you have a line like this from a circumference to another circumference. This is your chord. can be something like this, can be something like that, can be as small as something like this. This is your chord. A line from a circumference to another circumference. And you learn about the arc. This piece here, this is your arc. This small piece here is still your arc. This is your segment, or you call it a segment. This here is your segment, right? This is your segment. Okay, so that's your segment. Awesome. This is the basics and Euclidean geometry, circle geometry. It is based on these terms, and you have to understand them and embrace them and appreciate these terms. Awesome, right?